sounds like, or let me know what you guys think, how it sounds. English? What do you guys think of it? Let me know. This car I just showed you guys, it got some new rims, these KMC rims. Check these out. Kind of like a bronze goldish finish with the big old Toyo mud tires on top. So the problem that we're having right now is there's a little bit of rubbing going on. So the guys are just trying to sort that out. And then once that's sorted out, this car is good to go, looking like a beast. 4Runners are honestly one of the nicest SUVs around because you really don't have to do much to them to make them look sick. Yeah, if you guys want a cool truck, get a 4Runner. And then come here and get cool wheels for them. Like these. What size wheels are these?
These are 18 by 9s.
18 by 9.
Yeah, 9-inch wide with 33-inch tires.
Nice. So that's like any 4Runner can fit that?
No, we did a lift on it. We did a 2.5-inch ready lift.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's why it's sitting nice and...
Okay, so I take back what I said. The reason it looks like it's ready for off-roading is because of the lift kit and the wheels and tires. They're gonna start it up, test it out, make sure there's no rubbing.
All right, come this way.
We're good. No rubbing, no nothing. Now the car's ready to go off.
And then we gotta go to the scrapyard.
They're not scrapping the car. They're scrapping scrap metal. I'm just like, now the car's ready to go, and then you're like, all right, let's go to the scrapyard.
This is sharp, brother. This is
Very
so
sharp. I'm kind of nervous that you holding it like that.
This is Jaden's drink. I'm gonna show you how sharp it is.
Watch your fingers, bro.
This is a sharp one.
Jaden was asking us for a cup, so Salim's making him one.
What are you doing with my monster, man?
You don't want to see what's inside?
Content! Very nice. Take a sip, Salim.
No, it's his drink. Save it for him. At least now he knows his drink. You got nothing chilling in your drink, you're good.
No flies, nothing, you're good. Alright, so that is a very sharp razor blade, but now that car's off to the customer. The customer's probably out front waiting for it. So now Jay's gonna go drop it off, and the customer's gonna enjoy the beautiful, beautiful KMC wheels. Also, Salim likes messing with Jay. Mo, why do you heat it up before you weld it?
So we heat it up to clean all of the grease on the pipe and make it warm, because when it's cold, the weld is not gonna sit on it perfectly, you know? It's gonna be like a circle, that's gonna be ugly. So we heat it to clean it and to make it warm, to the weld sit on it perfectly.
So we will see how it sounds. I assume it's gonna sound really nice because it's pretty much fully straight pipe, besides just the one Magnaflow muffler right here. But that's not a huge muffler, and the S4 is a pretty loud car, so we'll see how it sounds. What do you guys think of that? Sounds fire. I knew Mo would do that. I'm gonna go back inside because I gotta finish editing today's video. Well, not today's video, last week's video for you guys, but today's video for me. So I gotta get to that. Hope you guys enjoyed the S4. Let me know what it sounds like, or let me know what you guys think, how it sounds. English? What do you guys think of it? Let me know.